The latest innovation for blending and mixing is here. Introducing our new Vida high-power blender featuring cutting-edge technology. This blender is the perfect companion to our amazing new Vida Choice Formula 5. They complement each other. From perfect blended smoothies and warm soups to grinding chilies, this versatile blender has a powerful 1500 watt motor, a 6-prong stainless steel blade that blends both wet and dry ingredients with ease, and a large 68 ounce BPA-free jar. It works 3 ways. It has a manual mode, 3 pre-programmed functions, and a pulse mode. When you use our blender for the first time, press the main power switch located on the back of the base. When you see the blue light on the switch, your blender's powered up. Remember, flip on the switch to power on your blender. Always add ingredients following the how to fill the jar instructions in the use and care manual. To use the manual mode, first securely place the lid on the jar, and then place the jar on the blender base. Turn the dial clockwise to the lowest speed, then continue until you reach your desired speed. To stop, turn the dial counterclockwise to the off position. To use the pre-programmed functions, place the lid on the jar and then the blender on the base. Turn the dial counterclockwise to program pulse mode. LED lights will illuminate the buttons for a few seconds. The selected functions will have a pulsing illuminated LED light. The blender will then run for a duration of the selected cycle. If you want to stop before the cycle ends, just turn the dial to the off position or press the function buttons you're using again. It's that easy. If you're using the soup mode, the friction from the blades and the power of the motor will bring your soup to a perfect hot serving temperature. Also, you can mix and push foods down safely and easily with a tamper. The third way you can use the blender is with the pulse mode. To use it, turn the dial to program pulse mode and press the pulse button. It will blend as long as you will hold down the button. You can use the pulse mode to chop, grind, and pulverize. Remember, the jar has to be in place for the functions to work. Let's talk about cleaning. Cleaning your Vida high power blender is super easy. Add a drop of dish soap and a cup of water to the jar, and then turn the dial to low speed. Discard the water and repeat with clean water to rinse. You can wash the lid and measuring cap in warm, soapy water and rinse thoroughly. Also, the jar with the blade, lid, and measuring cap are dishwasher safe. Our Vida high power blender is your tool for everyday use to make food prep easier, faster, and healthier.